Welcome to Motor Classic. We would like to invite you to a special journey regarding to this S-Class. In the next few months, we will be completely restore this car, and you can follow this step by step. This 111, it's a very special one. Not just because it's a 3.5 V8, which is a very collectible and rare car, but it has also very special specification. It's all blue, meaning the color is blue, the soft top is blue, the leather and the carpet are all blue. This car is from Florida, United States. It's a perfect example of what the climate can do throughout 50 years. The salty water and the sunshine basically rust everything. This car has been manufactured on the 15th of June 1970. Supposed to be a matching number car, which will be checked later during the process. This means that the VIN number, the engine number and the gearbox number are the same as registered on the data card during the manufacturing. There is no evidence or history of earlier accidents or restoration of this car. This is considered as an original and complete project. It took 12 hours for 3 or 4 experienced mechanicals to dismantle the car. And all of our assumptions were right. The car is full of rust, but it's original. It has its matching number. So it's gonna be a great project for the next few months to follow.